Hello, my name is BINTI FAZI and my metric number is 8183482. Introduction. The primary goals of our group is to engage in this activity so that we can acquire fundamental knowledge in various aspects of accounting. More in-depth instruction on accounting fundamentals is available to us. Accounting refers to the process of recording a company financial transaction in a systematic and organized manner. The process of accounting entails summarizing, analyzing, and report this transaction to the relevant oversight agency, regulatory bodies, and tax collection entities. The financial statements that are used in accounting provide a condensed summary of the financial transaction that have occurred over the course of an accounting period. This statement also provides a summary of the operation, financial position, and cash flow of a company. Our group has a total of 5 members, each of whom comes from unique history. ABDULLAH is the company that we have decided to go with. This company's store is location very strategic because it is in the main center of the city, but it is also one of the most strategic places for us to establish our business. In our retail establishment, we offer that photostat machine as well as paper and service because we are confident in our ability to provide students with machine photostat, which are essential to their academic work. We decided to open a retail outlet. Accounting is essential to running a business. It provides investors, managers, and the government with the quantitative financial information they can use to make business decisions while also helping to keep track of income and expenditure. Our records produce 3 critical financial reports. Income statement show profit and loss for the period. We can see how our business was doing financially and how much money it had. The cash flow statement link the income and balance sheet. It shows how much was made and spent over time. Our business requires many safeguards. Managing is a company finances is crucial. It helps investors, managers, and the government track income and expenditure. Our record produce 3 financial reports. Income statement show how much a business made or lost during a given period. Our company's bank's balance can be viewed at any time. Cash flow statement bridge income and balance sheet. It show income and expenses over time. Our business requires many steps. This product choose the ATHIRAH for its adaptability. All of our work, including its past and future effect on small business, must be documented. The history of our company. There are 5 people who make up the ATHIRAH group. Mark D, Daniel D, Athir A, and Wani W. ATHIRAH stand for Mark, Daniel, Athir, Wani, and Azam. And we have decided to the UMK campus is the greatest product, our first printer product, located in Pekangan Jepa, Kota Baru, Kelantan. The reason we choose this particular location are quite important in nature. Why did we choose this location? It's easy to find and it's close to place where students and workers congregate. In addition, they can reserve a room to be ourselves. Many different type of business can now be carried out in comfort and convenience at the ATHIRAH store. To make things easier for our client and employees, we lease a 1-story storefront with air conditioning. Additional service include a printer, paper, ink, and all other printing supplies needed to complete this project. Organization chart. Our company organization chart include the CEO, administration, financial manager, marketing manager, and manager. Encik Muhammad Daniel ALIF bin Muhammad RONZI implements the strategy. The CEO has many tasks. These individuals are responsible for investment decision and profit generating budget. CEO is the company's top executive officer, make significant corporate decision and oversee a company's operation and resources. CEO are often the company public face. Financial were handled by Encik Muhammad AZAMUDDIN bin KHALID. Financial managers offer financial report, manage investment, and formulate plans and strategy for long-term financial success. Financial manager prepare from activity report, financial account, and production, observe of financial regulation, developing financial reporting system, study financial statement and operation to control cost, so optimize earning, understand market trend, assist management with finance, know the financial situation. Encik ATHIRAH BINTI ABDULLAH manage marketing. Encik ATHIRAH market a company's brand, product, and service. Marketing managers create and execute initiatives to promote a company's good and service. Encik IKHMAL HISHAM bin Muhammad YUSRI was the manager's replacement. Encik IKHMAL do plans, lead and manage a company's operation and financial health. Manager supervise and direct the work of subordinate. Encik SYAZWANI binti FAZI oversees the warehouse. She manage business stock to receive, issue, and dispatch inventory. She must coordinate with right firm and warehouse customer. Warehouse administration handle data entry and inventory. The position required reception processing, record keeping, and order documenting. They prepare staff induction, manage OSHA standard, and schedule delivery. Other warehouse job may need to have.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ATHIRAH BINTI ABDULLAH. My metric number is A218707. Today I will present about introduction of our product. ATHIRAH Enterprise, our company, has built a printer making organization. ATHIRAH printers are of such excellent quality that they are in high demand in some businesses, largest and small. Our company has grown into a significant supplier of high quality printing machines. There are 2 types of printer with laser printers and inkjet printers. Printer with an impact and printer with no impact. For printer with an impact, a hammer taps of the corrective shape, which then taps. Non-impact printers were not extensively used until the development of inkjet and laser printers. For a number of reasons, special paper is required, which is more expensive, and the printer result is less brilliant and clear than that of an impact print. Character printers print 1 character at a time, at speed ranging from 10 to 500 characters per second. We also produce high quality printers, which is closely related to price. As a result, we price printer based on their type and feature. This is due to the fact that our business not only sells one type of printer, but also supply other printers. We have determined the cost of printers based on the benefit as well as public demand for the usage of their own business. Every year, our company also runs a huge promotional campaign, and ATHIRAH Enterprise additionally offer the greatest services to all of its clients. Our organization has a given customer services such as delivery of purchases good to the location they request without incurring any additional expenditures. We also sell printer supplier like paper and ink. We are the primary supplier, and we are prepared to deliver the following services in order to be the primary purchase option for every consumer. We also sell printer supplies like paper and ink.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HISHAM bin YUSRI. My metric number is 81825cc. Okay, next I will go to the transaction of our company. So what you can see on the slide, we have made a transaction about on April and May, and as you can see, they have a lot of transaction what we have done on this 2 months for our business. Okay, next I will go to our journal for our transaction in this 2 months. Is it work for April and May? Okay, for our company, I will present about 5 journal. Is it was a journal, purchase journal, cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, and general journal. So for our sales journal, the total for our sales journal is 14,818, and for cash receipt journal, what we got here is 29,030, and then for our purchase journal is 2,318, and for cash payment journal is it was 21,400, and lastly for our general journal, the total is 22,310, and that was for our all journal for our business transaction. Okay, then I will go to our ledger for our business in this 2 months. So what we got here, for the ledger, I will present about all about cash in or cash out, and if it was any transaction, I will make a note in this ledger. For example, here I will make a ledger for the sale, purchase, wage, cash, rent, loan payment, utility accrual, wage, and then not just for that, we will make a ledger for our customer and for our supplies too, such as we will do the ledger for the account payable AHMAD Enterprise, MUSA Enterprise, Zakiyah Sdn Bhd, K-Wong Enterprise, Mashita Enterprise, and all for our supplies and for our customer. Okay, I think that's all for ledger.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about trial balance of MD2 Enterprise as at 13 May 20x2. Okay, the balance of the statement is 228,850. Next is about statement profit or loss. The net sale that MD2 Enterprise got is 151,870, while the gross profit is 104,385, and last we get the net profit is 61,070. Last but not least, I will present about statement of financial position. The total of assets is 122,000. The total of current asset is 14,000. The total of current liabilities is 17,230. The working capital is 3,320. The total of owner's equity is 76,770. The long-term liabilities total is 42,000, and the balance of statement financial position is 118,770.
The income statement is one of 3 basic financial statements that describe a company financial performance over a certain accounting period. The other two being the balance sheet and the statement of cash flow. The balance sheet can be paired with other critical financial statements to perform basic analysis and create financial ratios. Investor can use a variety of ratios to derive from a balance sheet to assess a company financial health, such as the deficit ratios and the asset tax ratio. The income statement and cash flow statements, as well as any remarks or relevant documentation in a financial report that refer back to the cash flow. We gain more profit in our income statement of gross only 61,070 from the variety of financial records. Furthermore, we have a fewer expense and returns in, allowing us to make a profit by offering excellent service to our customers. We can continue to spend in the future to post profit in our company future achievement. And that's all from me, and thank you.
Hi, my name is AZAMUDDIN bin KHALID. My number matrix is 8183312. So I will explain to you what area could be improved for the business. There are several areas that can be improved for our business. The first area we chose was the business area close to the office. This is because they will come to our company to need printing services. We can also print some other sources documents other than standard A4 paper size, such as pens, maps, and so on. We also intend to add our branches around schools, polytechnics, universities, and other education centers. This is because we can print the assignments, paperwork, and so on for them. For example, journals, textbooks, files, and more. We also plan to add our branches around urban area and rural residential areas. We chose this area to make it easier for everyone to use our services. It will be easier for them not to go very far to get these printing services. Just imagine some people must go to at least an urban area to get these services. So for the conclusion, our company is run to give people out there enjoy the printing services at an affordable price. All the fundamentals of accounting that we have learned have been fully applied in our business company. Keeping accounting records in good condition, orderly and constantly updated is important in ensuring that our business transactions are relevant today and more complex and dynamic. Proper accounting management provides more benefits to the business as it can help evaluate business performance, help the company comply with the law, build business goal setting, and help manage and monitor cash flow well and smoothly. Our company constantly reviews its vision and mission to keep up in the highly competitive. From our point of view, this company needs to find someone who has the qualifications, knowledge, and skills to be able to help apply accounting properly in business management. This is to ensure that NDTWA company has good management and financial system. Lastly, the company also needs to do various promotional activities so that the business lasts a long time.